Ah, there you are. Everybody's hungry. Let's them make some food. Never happens at your place. Actually, in this case, everybody's bored. Let's play with some food a little bit. So, what are we making? Hooch! Yeah, this all comes down to a joke I had with an old boss once upon a time about Applejack. And if you know about Applejack, it's just it's kind of one of those things that somebody did by accident the first time. I'm willing to bet money. You know, you took a barrel full of cider, or barrel full of apple juice, I should say. You know, in an old wooden barrel full of native yeast cultures, basically. So you fill that with apple juice and boom, apple wine almost immediately. And then, you know, he forgot about it over the winter. And so what happens in winter? Things get cold and the ice formed around the outside, leaving the alcohol in the middle. And that's how you ended up with Applejack. You froze off the water. Freeze drying. So I was thinking about that the other day, and I bought a still. Because if nothing else, we need we need distilled water here at the house for a few things. And we may end up with a boil water order here pretty soon, depending on what happens with this weather. But the moment I did that, I remembered this trick. So, what do we got? How to make hooch. Well, you start with some cheap wine. Yeah, that's the easiest. And what we're going to do is we're going to concentrate that with a home ice cream maker. That's right. How do you duplicate a freezing New England winter? Ice cream maker. So you put the liner of your ice cream maker or your ice cream maker itself, depending on what model you got, in the freezer, get it all nice and cold. Throw in as much wine as you want, but don't finish it. Do not install the paddles. You want the water and a few other nasty stuff to freeze around the outside. And so you do that and you keep an eye on it. And a couple hours later or so, you pour out what's in the middle. Now it's important to note that wine is not heavy alcohol. It's not high proof. So you're going to get maybe 10, 15% of what you put in back. But, you know, you start with a very inexpensive sweet wine. You distill off the water, or you freeze off the water, and some of the stuff that you don't really like anyway. Pour that out, and you get this stuff. Yeah. Some places call this ice wine. I call it magnificent. So that's our amazing tip of the day. When it's raining and you just can't think of anything else to do, take some wine, concentrate it down, make some grape, brandy, ice wine, whatever you want to call it. So that's it. This is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe, like, share, all of that good stuff. Thank you. That's it.